Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy AI SHIBA tokens on MEXC Global. AI SHIBA token is a lifestyle powered by SHIBAI and G-Code created by AI for our meme testing community. SHIBAI is the fundamental token within the AI SHIBA ecosystem. It possesses powerful deflationary attributes and offers users the opportunity to generate passive income via staking, thereby establishing enduring value for the token. Based on CoinGecko, AI SHIBA tokens can be traded on MEXC, LBank, Bitmart, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy AI SHIBA tokens on MEXC Global. So open up your MEXC app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy AI SHIBA tokens, go to Market tab. Here you search for SHIBA USDT pairs. MEXC Global offers features and spot trading on AI SHIBA tokens. For this video, we will use spot trading to purchase AI SHIBA tokens. So you choose SHIBA USDT pairs, tap on the buy button here. Make sure you are on the spot and buy tab. Keep it under limit order for you to set the price you want. So you can use market order to buy AI SHIBA tokens immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders and the green section shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price and here is the amount of tokens you want to get. Since AI SHIBA requires huge numbers, just input here the total USDT you want to use. Let's say I want to buy $10 of AI SHIBA tokens. Once all is set, you tap buy SHIBAI and tap on confirm and you are done. Your buy order will usually show under open orders. To cancel your trade, just tap here. To check your trade history, click this icon. Here you will see your order details. To check your tokens, just go back to your wallets tab. That's how you buy AI SHIBA tokens as a beginner on MEXC app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.